Hello everyone, my name is Alejandra and I am the founder of Herentia. Herentia is a 3-year-old project that integrates an architectural studio, a laboratory, and a non-profit association, each supporting and enriching the others. It is through the non-profit association we are developing an international cooperation project in Cuba, focused on improving rural housing fund in the Huasasa neighborhood in Palmarito Valley of Viñales. This area is frequently hit by severe cyclones and hurricanes. The project aims to offer solutions for families living in homes classified as total collapse, enhancing their safety and reducing vulnerability to future natural disasters. Cuba, a nation renowned for its rich history, culture, and landscapes. However, in recent years, the country is facing significant challenges. Economic constraints, demographic shifts caused by youth migration, and aging population present development hurdles. External sanctions and limited access to resources such as oil have further strained transportation, energy supplies, and daily life, complicating its path forward. The project is set in Huasasa, a rural neighborhood in Viñales National Park, known for its biodiversity, mountainous landscape, and sustainable agricultural traditions, particularly tobacco farming. However, the community faces economic challenges, a resource crisis, and a labor shift toward tourism, resulting in gentrification and farmer migration. Cuba remains highly vulnerable to cyclones, with the increasing frequency and severity of these natural phenomena highlighting the urgent need for resilient solutions to ensure sustainable development. The province of Pinar del Rio, in particular, has historically suffered deeply from hurricanes. On average, Cuba experiences one hurricane every 2 years during the Atlantic hurricane season, with devastating impacts on infrastructure, agriculture, and communities. The project spans multiple lines of action. Phase 1 focuses on researching and producing sustainable building materials using local resources. Phase 2 involves constructing a school workshop for community training and participation in the building process. Phase 3 begins restoring the housing fund, addressing 8 homes in total collapse and 10 requiring partial rehabilitation. After completing Phase 3, a 4th phase will develop a comprehensive territorial plan to improve infrastructure services and long-term regional planning. The school workshop is a key part of the project, promoting sustainability and long-term community impact. With its flexible, weather-resistant modular design, it can be adapted for various uses like classes, training, or daycare facilities. The school workshop empowers the community to build homes using a mix of traditional and modern techniques, including compressed earth blocks, these being a sustainable material. By involving residents in the process, the project fosters a cycle of knowledge sharing and skill building, strengthening community resilience and self-reliance for the future. Additionally, this will help preserving the valley's unique identity by revitalizing local architectural traditions and integrating them with contemporary sustainable practices. Total collapse dwellings. The project for total collapse houses focuses on 2 main goals: hurricane resistance and rainwater harvesting. We will use climate-responsive design to ensure its resistance, and we will introduce rainwater collection systems. The housing design is inspired by traditional Viñales rural homes, featuring a longitudinal wall that separates day and night areas. Elevated water tanks provide domestic water through gravity, and additional tanks support other uses like irrigation, promoting water autonomy. Compressed earth block walls provide durability, while strategic openings optimize natural ventilation and lighting. Materials in good conditions from total collapse homes will be reused. A construction solutions catalog will guide repairs for partially collapsed homes, promoting circular material use. The roofing will be reinforced with a sandwich panel solution combining recycled zinc, wood waste for wooden fiber insulation, and restored wooden slats for interior finish. Compressed earth blocks are just made out of clay, sand, limo, and water, which can be found in the country. They are resistant, low cost, they don't need industrial fabrication, and are locally produced. But we need your help to make it happen. We are currently in Phase 0, the material research. For this phase, we need your support to raise 12,000 euros. These funds will enable us to fabricate essential machines for producing compressed earth blocks, a mill, a mixer, and a press. Produce the blocks needed for our initial construction, a pavilion that will work as an outdoor reading classroom for the local school. The pavilion will serve as a pilot project to assess the block's performance on site and introduce the community to its production and construction. In collaboration with local students, Kuhai professors, architects, and residents, the pilot will promote trust, participation, and community ownership of the project. Your contribution contribution is vital to making this project a reality. With your donation, you can get prints, a beautiful set of risograph printed postcards of analog photography from our travels, or a 3D printed model of the pavilion, among others. By supporting this initiative, you are not only contributing to sustainable architectural solutions, but also empowering a community through education, resilience, and self-sufficiency. Together, we can create a model of positive change that can serve as an inspiration for other regions facing similar challenges. Help us build a positive change. Thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts for your time and help.